Welcome back to another metal puzzle. Not that easy this time. You see these rings, the eyes, and then in the middle, two more rings. How do you take this apart? Well, I suggest you put your puzzle like mine to start with, and then try to follow what I do. You turn this over, and while you turn it, you flip it around. So it should look like this. And then the pieces in the middle, don't force it, will just come apart like this. Now I'll do it a few more times, don't worry. Let me first show you how to put it together. Putting it together, you flip this one over and you make sure this piece goes in this eye and this piece goes in this eye, like so. Like so, you see? And then you flip it around, and that's the easy part. Now let me take it apart one more time. You turn this around, at the same time you flip it. So this looks like this. Then you gently take apart the two pieces. It's very easy once you get the hang of it, once you know it. Starting from zero, it's hard. Let me put it back together again. Like this. Turn around gently, and there you go. You might need to rewind this video a few times to practice, but you can do it. Good luck.